How to fix your call getting ended problem on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, the first thing that you might want to keep in your mind is that there can be two reasons for this. The first is your software related issue, which we will fix. The second is hardware related issue, which you might want to get your iPhone checked or looked at. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you might want to do here is turn on and turn off your airplane mode. Now, since calling is also network related stuff, you can just turn off and turn on and turn off your airplane mode, which will automatically reset your network. Now after doing that, what you can do is you can wait for a bit, and after you wait for a bit, what you will need to do is you'll simply need to head over to your settings. Let me just go back, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the general option. Head over to general, scroll down all the way. There you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and there you'll find the reset option. Tap on that, and there you'll find reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings to reset your network settings, and with that your issue should get fixed. But before you move on with the next step, or before you just hope that it fixes, you can just eject and reinsert your SIM card on your iPhone. And yeah, those are the ways that you can fix this issue. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.